You got two plants side by side?
No,
Why
I
do you
got
have
my
two,
bag.
why do you have two pink flags with one plant?
He was showing me where it was, that's all.
Wow.
He was showing me where it was going. He's going way ahead of me. Here, I should give him the flag. I had trouble getting the silly plant out. That was my hardest part. It's harder to get him out than you think. For me.
The guy in the yellow shirt's got a whole bunch.
Oh, okay. You know what? I can't use gloves. You can follow because you'll have pink flags where they're whole.
Okay, we can put them that close together, huh, Mark?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we got 700 plants. Yep.
Let them rip.
It's on one of the hoses. Oh! I have it. We can toss it out. Give it there. Oh, sorry.
I like that sound. Oh, come on.
Yeah. Well, I wanted your root there.
Oh. Well, I have more trouble getting them out of the thing, so you just go
Wasting
fast.
a lot of memory cards.
It'll be.
Yeah.
I got a whole bunch of them.
Okay. Gigs and gigs and gigs. We get a flag, I'll help you put them.
Well, we got so many that I think if I just keep eye of where you are, I'm fine.
Yeah, I think so. Like that. Yeah, I think I remember Ray mentioning you. Yeah, just said it.
Find out a place.
Yeah, there's a few of those here.
Yep.
They're hard to get out, huh? I'm going, okay, I lay down, I rub them.
I know, it's like,
Even rubbing them on
try using like a twist.
a twist.
Yeah, that's yeah, like squeeze the tube and kind of twist it.
Okay. It's just taking a while, but I'm getting it.
Alright.
Eventually it'll come out. I'm trying to.
Oh, yeah. Especially the ones that are gotta step on it and there's a big kind of neat fell down. We did about 1200.
Rex, is anyone planting after you?
Yes, one person.